is Murat from Com21B Group, and in this video I wanna show how to integrate model into our Flutter app. I work as a Flutter developer, and that's why I decided to show from zero to until project is done. So for that we are going to use Tensorflow plugin, and also for picking image we're going to use image picker package. We will train our model with the help of teachable Google model, I guess that's the name, and we are going to teach our model according to road signs. We will train, and after training we will integrate to our Flutter app, and we will give this model a new image for testing, and at the end we will test together. So let's start. For that we have to first create new project. For that we have to use Flutter create command. Let's say final AI project. It's creating to us Flutter project. Fine. Yeah. Let's open in VS Code. Probably my face will not show, because I'm going to open this window fully. It created to us Flutter project. As you know, Flutter is cross-platform framework. It will build application for both Android, iOS, Linux, and web also. Here we are interested in lib directory. Here we will write our application. But first of all, we have to go this teachable machine with Google, and we have to train our model first. Before the video I already prepared some road signs, let's say data set, and we will give this data set for our model. For that we have to classify our image. So first let's say it's right. Let's give it name right. Let's also create a class for left. Also we have to add the new classification that called horn. Let's add one more classification called straight. All these images are related with road signs. We gave classes, or not classes, we classified, and for every class we give images. So let's train our model. We have to wait it until our model is trained. Let's export our model so that we could integrate to our Flutter application. Android. We have to wait until our model is ready. It downloaded a zip file. Let's just unzip it. This one. Have to copy and go to our project and final project. Here inside this our project we have to create a new directory that's called assets. And we can paste here. So we've done with it. So after that Flutter could work with image. We have to add a new package that's called image picker. It's basically for picking image from either from gallery or camera. We just copy this command and go to our project. Here, as you can see, we pasted our model and labels txt file. Also, work with Tensorflow, we have to add a package that called Tensorflow Lite. This site is called PubDev. It's for community of Flutter developers. This one. Copy it. We've added some package to our project and here we have to provide a path to our model so that Dart could see our model. Here inside this file we also can see that our dependencies, like we added image picker that has version this version and TensorFlow Lite package. After all that work, we can start to code. For that, let's just first run in Android emulator. Let's wait it. Flutter framework was written in Dart, so Dart is compiled language. That's why it's compiling our code, and we have to wait it some time. It's installed our app into our emulator. Now we can start. Here it's a built-in application that when we are creating a new Flutter project, it automatically creates this application. So let's start from 0. For that we have to we have main function that runs our application. Let's create stateless widget that called my app. It's going to return material app. We can say that it's going to be a const. Inside our main function we can run our application. For that we have to call runup method and runup function and pass it our app. Here also we can. So let's create a home page inside another file. Home page. Start. Here let's create stateful widget that called let's give it name image picker. Then inside material app we have to specify that our homepage is going to be image picker demo class. In Flutter we have two kind of widgets. It's first of all it's stateless widget and like this stateful widget. The difference is that stateless widget only have method build that builds or draws only UI, and so and that's it. But stateful widget has some life cycle that has 5 or 6 methods, and we can use when we need. So first inside this state let's initialize our classes for image picker, file, and so on. Final image picker, just image picker. We initialize our image picker, then for file for using file we have to import .io. Let's give it another name, image. It's going to be just file. For loading model we have to create a method that loads our model. So let's create a method model. It's going to be just a void function. We are saying that await Tensorflow like model. We have to pass our model. Our model is located inside our assets. We have to specify path to that model. Just copying the path. By now that's it. For picking image from our device, we have to also write a function. It's also going to be void function. Let's call it pick image. Sync. We are saying that image source is going to be from gallery, our device. After that, we are going to set our state and image. We are assigning to our this image a new variable. Let's say we are assigning this image file. Also going to be file. The property pass can be unconditionally accessed because the receiver can be null. So Dart has null safety property. It's basically for avoiding from null, because image can be null in our case, so, but we can say that image is not going to be null. We are sure that our image will not be null. And in the catch, we can just print error is string. We've done this method that will pick image. After that, we have to write the method for detecting image. For that, it's also going to be future detect image. We have to pass this function image. For counting our model's speed, let's create a variable that's called start timer, date time, milliseconds. At the end I will explain it, what I did. Model in binary. Here we are saying that run model on image, and we also have to provide a path to our image. It's going to be this image path. Image path. Num results, it's basically the limit of results. Let's see. So it's threshold. Also to know what time spent our model to recognize, we can also create new variables for end time. Take time. Time milliseconds. Let's create info. Let's print inference book from end time. Just minusing start time. I guess that's it. We already did some functions, but we have to call it. As I said, Flutter has stateful widget. Inside this stateful widget, we have many methods. For example, this build method, it's answers for UI, for drawing UI, but until this build method is calling, we have another method that's called initState. So basically this method is called only for once, and we can here we can call method our model, then because it's future value. And we also have to call our detect image inside this pick image file. And we have to pass our file. We are saying that it's not going to be null. we've done with logic, and we have now we have to work with UI. For that we have to return scaffold. Scaffold is like a host where we can draw our UI. Let's create an up bar title, Flutter. No, have to use text widget, Flutter, the light project. Let's see what we did. For that we in Flutter we have two kind of compilation. As first is hot reload called, and second is hot restart. Hot reload is running again only this build method, and hot restart is going to again run again this main method. So it's running from the start the whole application. As you can see, we have in the up bar we have Flutter TF-Lite project. So let's create our body for our application. It's going to be a center, child of center is going to be a column. Main axis alignment is going to be center. And inside our column widget we have to say that if our image is not null, we are showing to user image widget file. Also we are saying that it's not going to be null. Else if it's null, we are that means we haven't selected image from our gallery. We will just show some text. No image is selected. So that box is like just empty space. Then we can use elevated button for when user click it, so it will open a gallery. Child of this elevated button is going to be text. From gallery. Inside this onProcessed callback, we have to call a function that called pick image. So let's see what happened. For that we can use hotkey start. Yeah, we haven't picked any image. Let's click it. In this Android emulator, I don't have uh, any photos. I will show from my real device. I'll install it and will screen uh, my device. I have already installed our application to my real device. So let's test it. As you can see, we haven't selected an image. We have to pick image from our gallery. So for that, let's start with this horn row sign. It's guessed correctly. Let's test this left sign. It also guessed correctly. And this right also guessed correctly. I guess that's it for this video. I will probably record another uh, another video with using ML and so on. It's first part of let's say large video.